It's a sound so familiar that even a child could tell you what it means. The beep 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 reversing alarm has become a fixture in our lives since it was introduced in 1976. It was a huge step forward in safety, but it's crude and has numerous problems.
The main safety issue with a tonal alarm is that it confuses the listener as to the direction from which the sound is actually coming. And if you get 2 or 3 tonal alarms all sounding at the same time, you get the head spinning effect when the listener's looking all round like this, wondering where on earth the sound is coming from and which vehicle is actually a threat to life and limb.
And safety isn't the only issue. There's an environmental aspect too.
The shrill reversing alarm that people hear from the back of lorries, back of waste trucks, all these kind of amenity trucks, is really annoying because it's shrill and it's piercing and it goes right through double glazing, and it's usually very early in the morning and people get very, very upset by them.
Now, thanks to Brigade Electronics, there is a much better, safer solution: BBS Tech white sound alarms. White sound, also known as broadband sound, is made up of a wide range of frequencies. Tonal sound only has a limited frequency range. Unlike tonal sound, white sound is instantly locatable. People can tell exactly where it's coming from. Its wide range of frequencies makes it audible even to people with hearing impairment or wearing ear defenders. And it's directional, so it's only heard within the danger zone, that is, when it really matters, so people don't become desensitized to it or even disable the alarm. And that directionality means less noise nuisance for the local environment too. The vital difference in locatability between historic tonal alarms and the new BBS Tech white sound alarms can be demonstrated clearly with a simple test. A large circle is set out on the ground with 32 markers at equal intervals round the edge. 8 alarm systems are also spaced equally round the circle, with a tonal and white sound system in each. In the middle of the circle, a test subject is blindfolded. As the test runs, a controller is used to switch any one of the alarms on at random for a 1-second burst of sound. The blindfolded tester has to point to the source of that sound, and they're marked on their accuracy. Repeated trials have shown consistently that white sound far outstrips tonal alarms for both accuracy and speed of location, which in real terms means much greater safety for workers and the public. And this directional ability leads to the other key benefit of white sound: it's only heard where it's needed, so vehicles operating in residential areas cause far less noise nuisance. Again, easily demonstrated. Here, a large highway maintenance lorry, fitted with BBS Tech, is reversing from its garage. Behind the lorry, the alarm is clearly audible and warns anyone on the tarmac to stand back. As the lorry passes by, it becomes clear that the white sound is confined to the back. Anyone other than those in the immediate danger zone won't be disturbed by the alarm. No wonder that Brigade's BBS Tech white sound alarms are given the seal of approval by the campaigning group, the Noise Abatement Society.
It's really good to see a manufacturer coming up with an idea that's going to improve the urban environment. This will make a huge difference. Residents will be able to sleep through a delivery early in the morning, or maybe out of hours in the evening or at night, because that sound will not reach them. This is a real innovation, and we're really thrilled about it.
Other key features of BBS Tech include: it's exclusive to Brigade Electronics, it comes with a lifetime warranty, and it has an option to automatically self-adjust to the ambient noise level, so it's never too loud or too quiet. No company can afford to be complacent about environmental responsibility, and in the noise arena, BBS Tech is the only real solution.
In the interest of social responsibility, we have taken the decision and have implemented the phasing out of all tonal alarms and their replacement by the newest state-of-the-art range of white sound or broadband sound alarms.